Subscribe to Bengal Biker and press the bell icon to watch the videos first.
Welcome back my friends. Today in this video I'm going to show you a very interesting thing for almost all the KTM lineups. Let's unbox this. I have ordered this from eBay and I have already unwrapped the outer cover from this package. So here it is. These are the slider crash guards for both the swing arms and front forks of my bike. It cost me around 14.99 of Indian rupees. As you can see, the build quality is awesome and it comes with all the accessory needed to install this. It gives a great look to your bike and as well as does its job really well by protecting your bike. It's basically a DIY project and you don't need any specialized tool or skill to install this in your bike. All you need is an Allen key set. So let's install this.